During 10th and 11th century, it was the golden time of Islam and science was on its peak. Abbasid Khilafat was spread all over the world, from Spain to the India and Egypt to some parts of China. Baghdad was the capital city of the empire. It was the most powerful city of the time, the trading hub of the world. Merchants and scholars from all around the world were moving towards Baghdad for the better future, and they were the most advanced people of the time. How it really started, how Baghdad became so powerful and influential. Education is compulsory in Islam, so locals were willing for it. It was really difficult at that time to learn any book because of the unavailability of the books, and paper was quite expensive material. When Muslims learned paper making technique from the Chinese, it boosted the process of learning and writing. Now scholars were writing research, poetry, accounting on the paper because now paper is available and affordable. House of Wisdom was a private collection of books of Caliph. Then it was turned into the open university and public library for the educational purposes. People around the world who were good in Greek and Arabic were invited in Baghdad to translate the Greek and Persian knowledge into the Arabic. The translation was going on a large scale, and this is also called the translation movement. On the other hand, a lot of research was going on in the field of astrology, astronomy, philosophy, physics, mathematics, chemistry, and medicine. But at the end of 11th century, things starting getting worse. Due to a lot of philosophical nature, people had started focusing on philosophy more than the Quran, and some scholar had started using Quran just as a philosophy book, which divided people into two groups, group A and B, where A was on the side that Quran should be used as a philosophy book, but group B was opposing them, and the face of group B was Al-Ghazali, which were demanding that Quran should not be used as a philosophy book. They won the debate, and a lot of rules were set to not use Quran as a philosophy book, because work on the Quranic verses in the philosophical nature can devalue the religion, which we can see how philosophy had devalued the Christianity. Scholars who were still using Quran as a philosophy book were present and their books were burned. Due to this movement, the rise of science and philosophy started fading out, and it completely ended with the attack of Mongols on Baghdad in 1258. Now Europe had started translating the Arabic work into the Latin, and the rest is the present.